What's up, guys? So today we're going to be changing out our Allison transmission spin-on filter. So as you can see, you get your filter wrench, lefty loosey, righty tighty, and then tighten it. It'll drain a little bit. No, just remember the fluid could be hot, so be careful with that. That's probably one of the easiest filters to change out on these vehicles. And also right here, once I take it off, there's a magnet that sticks to it, or it could be stuck to the transmission. You got to make sure to grab that and clean it off. I'll show you guys right now. There you go. You just stick it on the new filter. That's what I do. I just put it on the new filter and try to center it. It'll just spin on really easily. And also you want to make sure to lube the seal with you could use the old transmission. That's what I do. Just as long as it's lubed up. You put your magnet on the filter and you just put it back up there and spin it right on in. And once you're done with this, you just make sure you tighten it really good and just start up the vehicle for a couple minutes, let it run, and check your transmission fluid level. And then if you need to add some, you just add some. And that's pretty much it. Easy peasy. Right here, I just tightened it a little more with the filter wrench, just to make sure. You don't want to overdo it either. Just enough to, make sure it seals up right. And that's it. Clean it off.